Hello everyone. Let's tell in the second clock which symbols are used for 1, 5 and 10 o'clock.
The letter I is the symbol used for 1, V for 5 and to show 10 it uses X.
These symbols are called Roman numerals. Today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. In Europe, we can see Roman numerals on buildings. See that Roman numbers on watch, and that is the tattoo made in Roman numbers. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. Romans represented numbers using the numerals I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These numerals represent the following numbers. You always remember this chart. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of a symbol did not change with its place. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numerals. Rule number 1. The symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. For examples, there are single I, 2 times I, 3 times I, similarly single X, 2 times X, 3x means I, X, L, M can be repeated consequently for a maximum of 3 times. To get Roman numerals. Rule number 2. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated consecutively. For example, the way of writing V 2 times and L 3 times, according rule number 2, it is wrong. Rule number 3. If a symbol of small value is written to the right of symbol of higher value, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. See in the first example Vi, in that symbol I of small value is written to the right of symbol V of higher value. 5 is added to 1, we get number 6. That means we write number 6 as Vi in Roman numerals. In second example, symbol V is written to the right of X. Therefore, according to the rule number 3, add these two numbers 10 plus 5, we get 15. That means we write number 15 as XV in Roman numerals. Rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of higher value, its value is subtracted from the higher value. For example, in IV, symbol I of smaller value is written to the left of symbol V of higher value. Its value 1 is subtract from the higher value 5. We get 5 minus 1 is 4 and write 4 as IV in Roman numerals. Let's write Roman numerals. Practice makes us perfect. Write neat and clean Roman numerals 1 to 100 in your notebook daily.